Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Brave browser on your Windows PC. If you've just installed Brave, this guide will help you configure the basic settings and get the browser ready for everyday use. First, open Brave browser. When Brave starts for the first time, you may see options such as set as default browser or import bookmarks and settings from another browser. You can complete these steps now, or skip them and configure everything later. Next, click the menu icon in the top right corner of the browser and select Settings. This is where you can customize Brave according to your preferences. In the Appearance section, you can change how the browser looks. You can show or hide the bookmarks bar, adjust the theme, and customize other display options. After that, open the Search Engine section. Here you can choose your preferred default search engine, such as Google, Brave Search, or another supported option. Now go to Privacy and Security. This section contains important settings that help protect your privacy while browsing. Brave blocks many ads and trackers automatically, helping you browse faster and more securely. Next, open the On Startup section. Here you can choose what Brave does when it starts. For example, you can open a new tab page or continue where you left off in your previous browsing session. Finally, open a new tab and browse to a website to make sure everything is working correctly. Your Brave browser is now set up and ready to use. That's it. You've successfully completed the basic setup for Brave browser on Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more browser tutorials and technology guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.